You should help the poor. India is a wonderful country. The only disease we have is poverty. We should eliminate that poverty. Most of us are very fortunate that we are capable of earning, but there are so many others in our country who deserve help. But they are so intelligent. It's just that they don't have footwear, but they have strong brains. It's just that they are diamonds which are not yet polished. We need to polish those diamonds and they will shine well in life. Again, one more time, let me request a part of your income, give it back to society in some way or other. Go educate them. And I took a promise from all the star students. The only way you are going to repay VIT is you go and help other students. You go and give education. Sponsor 3 more children in your village and get the same promise from them.